How to create template in Asana 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a template in Asana in the easiest way. And to do that, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get yourself started off with Asana right away. So, to create a template, first of all, obviously you're going to make your board according to yourself. So, as we can see, we have this board over here. Now, let's say I want to make my future projects just like this as well. So, I want to save it as a template. So, to do this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come up here to your project where it says actions. You're going to click on actions and you're going to click on save as template. Now, once you do that, give it any name that you want. Click on create template, and that is about it. That is your template being created. So once this template is created, you can then implement it into your future designs as you go on by simply clicking on use template. And that is pretty much about it. So do make sure to check the link down in the description below to use these functionalities for yourself. And that is all from me. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.